Good morning, comrades, or good afternoon. And it's definitely a good afternoon because the track's open and we are about to hit it with this car. And you might know this name, so let's hop in and find out what it's all about.
Er zit stoptechgrem op en ik vind...
Let's switch to English because then I can take it to the video.
Okay, well, there are stop takes brakes on this car.
Yeah. So first of all, quick introduction. You're from AutoTopNL, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, so the guys who drive on autobahns very fast with a cool car. Top speed runs, including this car. You told me that this is the most famous, probably currently car in the... Oh.
Yeah, that's the alarm.
So it's still old school.
Yeah.
Okay. So what was the top speed with this car that you did?
Before the tune, we did 245.
Yeah.
After the tune, because we changed the gear ratios, it was 230.
Okay.
So 1 until 5 are a lot shorter.
Nice.
Changed the 6th gear to be a cruising gear. Well, because it's a B-road car, so I'm not going over 200 that much.
Yeah. So now, after the top speed comparison, we compare it now on the Nürburgring.
Yeah.
And that's why we have the banana for scale, or
yeah,
what?
Yeah, it's for scale.
Okay. Nice. Well, I'm excited. Thank you very much for allowing me to. So how does this work? Okay. Yeah, I haven't driven a Honda in like forever. So I saw there's a sticker on the back, Total Car Tuning. That's from our friend Kai, right?
Yeah, it's the complete setup.
Yeah.
So we changed all the bushings, custom spring rates, stop tech brakes, and all the bolt-ons to start with, including full exhaust.
Nice. I'm excited. So engine-wise, is it like stock-ish, or?
Yeah, it's a stock engine, but with all bolt-ons, so it breathes a lot better.
Yeah.
Which made around 260 horsepower.
Wow, 260.
Yeah.
Naturally aspirated. What's the max RPM?
8600.
80.
Yeah. And we have shift lights.
Yeah.
It's aim dash.
Yeah.
And it will start blinking at 83.
Yeah.
So you have 300 revs remaining to do the shift.
Well, I'm gonna take it easy because it's not my car and I haven't ever driven it, but I'm very happy and thankful for you allowing me to experience it, because in the past I was always saying like, okay, like a proper JDM Honda VTEC would be a track tool. I even spoke to Kai like in a serious way, like, hey, how much would it cost me to build something like that? And yeah, who knows, maybe after this I will now we're gonna have our first test, the traffic jam test. Well, we'll see how this car behaves. And we also have aircon, or we don't?
It doesn't work.
Okay. You took it out for
yeah, so the clutch is still stuck.
Okay.
So just it handles,
okay.
in traffic.
Yeah, I can feel that because I'm used to my single mess.
Yeah.
And it's like very light. Yeah, it's nice. Shifter is nice and short.
Yeah, and even turbo EP3s run on stock clutches for a few months. They're quite strong.
Okay. Well, fast forward to the gate. The real GT3 and a budget GT3.
Yeah. We can make more RPM.
Yeah. 6th gear.
Yeah.
Power-wise, it's perfect for the ring, I would say. But suspension is a bit too stiff.
Okay, you can adjust that.
Oh, someone went in the gravel. Fun, you're forgetting about speed limits. Very good car.
Yeah, I think lots of fun as well.
Okay. it's very much fun.
Yeah, we just managed with oil temperature.
Yeah, 140, perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
Wow, no, very cool car. I must say, horsepower, it's probably the most perfectly balanced car for the Nürburgring. Also regarding gear ratios, because you said you put a shorter gear ratio. It's great because like some sections, like towards the ice curve, like from Brunchen, you can just keep it just close to the rev limiter and just left foot braking and just go on the throttle again. So that's perfect. The only thing I would say, yeah, suspension you need to work on. It's a bit too stiff. So like over the curbs,
you can adjust it.
Yeah, the compression is too stiff and rebound slightly too stiff. But everything else, wow. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you know how to drive.
Wow, very much enjoyable. Sweaty because no air conditioning and of adrenaline and of all the fun. So awesome. Give AutoTopNL a follow if you haven't yet. And yeah, you can see the top speed run on their channel as well. That's awesome. Well, let's see what the rest of TF is going to bring. Woo!